how to show Spotify on your Discord activity on Android. This tutorial shows you how to display what you're listening to on Spotify directly on your Discord profile. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on Settings at the top and select Connections. At this point, tap on Add at the top of the screen. Let me show you. In the next step, scroll through the list and look for Spotify. Tap on it to begin linking your account. From there, you'll be redirected to Spotify to authorize the connection. Tap on Agree to allow Discord to connect to your Spotify account. At this stage, once authorized, you'll be taken back to Discord, and Spotify will now appear in your connected accounts list. Following this, look for the Spotify connection and make sure the Display on Profile toggle is turned on. Once done, open Spotify and start playing any song. And that's it. If this guide helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.